Working with noise. What is so dangerous about noise? Unless it hurts, loud noises are something people often ignore. However, loud noises over long periods can be detrimental to our hearing and can leave long-lasting effects. How to reduce risk of harm. To reduce risk of harm from loud noises, personal protective equipment, PPE, such as earplugs and ear defenders can be worn to reduce the risk of harm. Employers can also introduce quieter equipment, limit the time employees spend in noisy areas, and use noise-absorbing materials to keep their workplaces safe. Measuring sound levels. How do you know whether your workspace is too loud? To find out if your workspace meets UK health and safety regulations, a sound level meter can be used to detect sound levels over a certain period. To get an accurate representation, recordings should be taken regularly